This is before we say that, these these will be my final show performances in London. This will be it. This is it. When I say this is it, it really means this is it. Because I'll be performing the songs my fans want to hear. This is it. I mean, this is really it. This is the final curtain call. Okay? And I'll see you in July. And
I really do. You have to know that I love you so much. Really. From the bottom of my heart. This is it. See you in